Hello guys, back again to my channel today. So today is another tutorial video. It will be my makeup look, so my go-to weekend makeup look. So I'm already dressed up with my green romper. You can follow me on Instagram to see my photo with this kind of outfit, and of course I have a lot of photo and IG video which is very interesting. You can follow me there in my Instagram. I will put it in the up there for my Instagram address. So without further ado, let's go started with this makeup look. First of all, I will apply my foundation as usual. I'm the type that always put foundation first before my eye, because some people will put their eye makeup first before their foundation, but I doesn't seem to like that step. So I think makeup is up to you. Like, it's your face, you're the artist of your own face, so just follow whatever you want with your face. There is a foundation mix that I mix by myself. If you want to see what foundation that I put up here, please give me a comment down below. If there's a lot of requests, then I will show you what is inside my actually foundation mix. Sometimes foundation doesn't really cater to my skin tone, and sometimes I just want it to be a little bit darker, or I just want it to be a little bit brighter instead. So I mix it by myself, and I like this kind of consistency. So I will apply it like this, like that normally. I will just stroke it up, and here as well in my neck. My hair is blocking me away, so in my neck. Okay, so I close it up. Using my brush. If you feel that you want more coverage, you can always put more. Because I don't want to put any under eye concealer, so I just want to double layering my foundation today, so to make it a little bit more cover my face, because I don't know, my baby doesn't seem to bother me at night because he tends to sleep throughout the night already, but sometimes, you know, I just couldn't sleep. I have so much thought in my head that I just couldn't fall asleep. So my under eyes doesn't seem to be that good. I'm done with my base. Followed by my second step, as usual, is my Body Shop powder. Going to tap it under my eyes first. My eyebrow first. So this one is from Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Okay, this one is very nice. As you see here, it can come out. You just need to put it up. You just twist. You don't have to sharpen it up, because sometimes, you know, the one that is like the pencil type, you have to bring sharpener and everything, and you don't know when will it be finished. So this one can really save your day with a twisting type. And then in the other side, there is a spatula or a brush that after you draw, you can always brush it. So 2-in-1, which is good. So I'm going to quickly draw one of my eyebrow in front of the camera, and then another one I will just take it off from the camera to not make this video too long. Here it is. My big mirror. I need a mirror for it. So I'm going to draw it like this. Actually, I don't really draw that much though, because I'm quite fortunate to have a full eyebrow, but there's of course some kind of gap, some hair gap that I need to actually cover. So I like to draw it a bit to make it a little bit fuller. I'm done with my eyebrow. I'm going to use my Zoeva Coral Spectrum. It's actually like a blush palette. I really like this color. I don't really know what is this color. That in this and a little bit of this. Just put it in my cheek. And since I'm feeling fancy today, I'm going to put up some contour. The contour that I'm using today is from Makeup Forever, a sculpting kit number shade 2, in the shade 2. So the inside will look like this. So I'm just quickly dab into this one and I sculpt it. Okay, looks okay now. I don't really to be too kind of sharp, but I just want some definition if you look at my side. So there is of course a contour look, but it's not that strong, which is what I want. Just move to the eye look already because I think my base is done like this, except later on I will just put on some highlighter after I finishing everything. So now I'm going to use my Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. It was a very beautiful palette. So since I'm wearing a green and a bit of blue, so I think I will make a little bit of green eye color here. This Wanderlust. So Wanderlust. I'll put a big sky here in my lower of my eyes. Done with two of the color, which is Wanderlust and Big Sky. So now I'm just going to put up a little bit of still shot here, this kind of pinkish color on top of everything, just to blend it up and doesn't look that rough on the top. Okay, just like that, not too much, but just to soften up the green color. Eyes doesn't look that scary. Okay, looks good. And I'm going to put up some, this one maybe breakaway here, breakaway below my eyebrow here. Enough for me. Have a glow, but not that glowy, which is exactly what I want. I think my makeup look or my eyes, I will just leave it as it is. I don't really want a very precise or very kind of like makeup artist eye look, but maybe I will just sharpen it up for my below under my eyes. I will just use maybe some accelerated. Okay, this one looks enough. So going to make up some eyeliner and I'll be back. So done with the eyeliner. The eyeliner here is from Cezanne Gokuboso eyeliner. I got it from my friends actually. Is from Japan. She told me that she got this from Japan drugstore. The tip itself is very sharp, which is nice on the tip, like this. So I really like this one. Thank you for my friends, the one who gave me this. Really love it. So my eyes is okay. I will just curl my eyelash and I'm going to put up some mascara. I'm going to use now my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This. So the wound itself is very big, which is nice. So my eyes is done with the mascara. Looks quite okay. So now I'm quickly going to put up my highlighter, which is from Tarte. This is in a color stunner. This is what the color looks like. So I'm going to put up on top of my cheekbone here. Here is my Huda Beauty lipstick in a color Interview. It's a very pretty nude. Actually, you can leave it like this, but I just wanted to make it a little bit more reddish, so I'm going to top it up with the Fendi liquid lipstick, which is in the color Everlasting. So I'm going to dab it in the center. To give that kind of gradient look, which is what actually Korean like to do. Okay, I don't want to put it too much, I don't want to be too red. So this is it, my final look for my weekend green eye color. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. I see you in my next one. Bye!